It is the time to prepare for the JLPT. That means a lot of books and many questions to ask teachers. And if you want to pass the test, that means you need to read books, books, and books! Attain Online Japanese is my secret weapon. It is more than a video lesson for JLPT. It also contains free PDF textbooks. Each lesson has an online test, and it gives me the explanation for the answer too. With Attain Online Japanese, it saves me a ton of time and makes me prepare for the JLPT confidently. 先生、N1 合格しましたよ。N1 合格おめでとう。And the best part is, it is an unlimited viewing for all the videos. Join Attain Online Japanese today. Let's learn Japanese easier.